let's get into it.
All the way back to the bando, gave him a light instead of a beat. Interrogated him on the street, yo, look like a smoker, show me your teeth. Look at me in the park of your ends on mine. This is my first time buying a G-Lock.
What is good, everyone? Today I'm actually going to be going to look at potentially getting a new car. Now, as you know, we've got the Polo GTI and we've had it for quite a long time now, so I feel like it's time to go car shopping. Let's go and have a look at some other cars, other opportunities and other cars that we could potentially get, which is a good upgrade. Obviously, we're not going to RS3 level. We're looking at potentially S3s, Cupras, Golf Rs, something on that level, potentially an Audi S1, I'm not too sure, but yeah, something on that type of level, around the 300 brake mark, very tunable, reliable, possibly an M140, M240, so yeah, we've got a lot of cars to look at. This is going to be part one, until we finally find the car that I decide to flip the switch on and get. But yeah, so the Polo will be up for sale soon, not too soon, but will be within the next 5 months, 4 months, it's going to be up for sale, and then the new car will be on the channel. But further ado, let's head out, let's get into the car, and let's go car shopping. I believe we do actually have a car we're looking at 6 PM today. We're looking at a Cupra, so yeah, we're gonna test drive that today. So that's why I've came back home, we get our license. So yeah, without further ado, let's do less talking, let's get into this video. Let's go and look at some cars, potential next cars. Alright, so we just went into Audi and we had a look at an RS3, but it was the worst spec RS3 I've ever seen. It was like, I think it was 38 grand with 19,000 miles on it, but it was just chrome wheels, everything. And anyway, it's probably a bit over the budget, so we're going to go to BMW and see if they got an M140 or a 135i. See what they're like, try and test drive it if we can, and then we get some food and then look at some other places. And then we also got the Cupra to go and test drive later tonight at Big Motor Mode. So yeah, let's go and look at the BMW. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the Cupra that we was actually going to get. Now, we did actually go and test drive it, and you will see that in this video, and sadly, as you can now see, it's been reserved, so we can't actually get this Cupra. Now, it was the one I was going to be going for, so we're going to have to change car. But yes, this is the car that we test drove in this video, and as you can see, it's got 19,000 miles. It had one owner, it had full service history. Obviously it will, it's only got 19,000 miles, and I was going to be financing it. And I do want to go into finance a lot, because people think it's a bad thing to be financing cars, It's really not. I want to go into depth with a company about finance, etc. So there will be a video strictly just focused on finance. But as you can see, this car was up for 21,600. They do add a handling fee on it for £99, so it's about 21,700, I believe. And from brand new, this car was 30,000, so it has depreciated quite a lot, but it's not bad. A 2020 plate Cupra for 21 grand. I mean, it's got Digi-Dash, it's got all the spec in it, it's got parking sensors, it's got all that stuff in it. 300 brake, DSG, DQ381, it's got the wet clutch, the newer one. It's just sick, you know. So this isn't the one we're going to be buying now, but yes, we did test drive it, and I am pretty set on a Cupra. It will change probably, because I know what I'm like, and I'll probably like a different car. But as I said, this is only part one of test driving cars. So without further ado, let's get into the test drive. I wasn't able to talk around the car because they didn't really want you filming, and I have had to crop it a little bit so you can't see the guy that actually took us out in it, because he didn't want to be in the video. You can hear him, but you can't see what he looks like. So yeah, but watch this clip. It's quite a long clip, it's about 4 minutes long. This is me first time ever driving a Cupra, and then I cut back to it and I'll talk to you how I felt about it, and what we're going to be test driving in part two, because yeah, we've got more cars to test. This is only the first car I've driven to drive, so this second car needs to be the best car, because I'm going to be pushing myself to buy the next car, so it needs to be the perfect one. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the test drive of the Cupra 290 DSG. So guys, as you saw there, I actually managed to test drive the Cupra, and actually is such a sick car. It pulls so hard for the power. Apparently it's 286, but we all know deep down that they've got an IS38 and their 300 brake. Now the insurance wise on this car, I've got a lot of questions about how I'm going to be managing to afford the insurance. Now it's actually working out to be about £2 grand. Now it's only about £180 a month, £187 a month, something like that. On my Polo right now, it's about £130 a month. So yeah, it's not much more than I thought it would be. I thought a Cupra would be a good £3 grand, but no. I don't know how. I just went on to confused.com, put all my details in, put my real job in. Obviously I have put less mileage on this car because I'm going to be daily in the Fabia, so I won't need to be putting as much mileage on it. That's probably why my insurance is a little bit cheaper than your guys as well, but that was with 10,000 miles, so I didn't think it was that bad. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It has been a different type of video that I normally do. I don't normally do these type of videos, so yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. The next video, we'll be getting the Polo back, as it has been away at AutoVet, get some work done to it. So it will be back, and we'll be taking that back to stock, obviously, so then we can, you know, trade it in for whatever car we get next. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. We're almost at 10k. Let's just get to 10k because it's been so long now. Get only to 10k, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace. Let's get into it.
All the way back to the bundle, gave him a light instead of a beat. Interrogated him on the street, yo, look like a smoker, show me your teeth. If you meet in the park of your ends on mine, this is my first time buying a G-Lock.